Bismillah mon e nder Pular English. You welcome in Pular English. They live in a very big house. She eats a lot of fruit. He goes to the mosque a lot. You sleep 7 hours a night. They live in a very big house. Ɓe koɗi ko e galle mawɗo no feewi. She eats a lot of fruit. Omo nyama firuyi no feewi. He goes to the mosque a lot. Omo yaha jama no feewi. You sleeps 7 hours a night. Aɗaɗano yeruji jeeɗiɗi e jamma goto. 1. Buni speaks 4 languages. 2. The shops in the city center usually opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. 3. The city museum closes at 5 o'clock in the evening. 4. Abu is a teacher. He teaches Pula to young children. 1. Go. Bun speaks 4 languages. Bun ne haala ɗemɗe 4. 2. Didi. The shops in the city center usually opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. Bitikaji gondi hakkunde wurotoɗi kewi udidde ko 9 subaka. 3. Tati. The city museum closes at 5 o'clock in the evening. Musée gonɗo e wuro he o uddata ko 5 kikiɗe. 4. Nay. Abu is a teacher. He teaches Pula to young children. Abu ko janginowo. Mo jangina sukaɓe tokosɓe Pular. 5. My job is very interesting. I meet a lot of people. 6. Humaida's car is always dirty. He never cleans it. 7. Food is expensive. It costs a lot of money. 8. Shoes are expensive. They cost a lot of money. 5. Joy. My job is very interesting. I meet a lot of people. Gollamɗe ene mbaɗi fayida no feewi. mbede hawra e yimɓe heewɓe. 6 jeegom Humayda's car is always dirty. He never clean it. Oto Humayda o ñande fof ene tuuni. O meeɗata lawƴude mo. 7 jeeɗiɗi Food is expensive. It costs a lot of money. Ñaamde ene seeri. Heɓata ɗum ko kaalis keewɗo. 8 jeetati Shoes are expensive. They cost a lot of money. Paɗe ene ceeri no feewi. Ɗe njarata ko kaalis keewɗo. Museum ko nokku batteeɗo visit, nokku mo ngannduɗaa yimɓe njahata ene ƴeewa ko won ton, ko ɗum wiyetee museum. Nokku o nafata ko moofteede geɗe ɓooyɗe mbattee heen, geɗe ɗe ngannduɗaa ko cosaanuuji ɓooyɗe, histoire uji moftetee heen. Jooni noon yimɓe ne njaha ene mbaɗa ɗum visit. On jaaraama no feewi e jeeɓgol banndiraaɓe. Oɗon jejjitee wadde partager, abonné, aimé. So wonko jiɗɗa namdade waɗ commentaire yo en jewondir ñalawde. Bye.